Hi, I'm Deanna O'Mara, and I'm the head of school at the Intermediate Preparatory Academy. One of the things that I'm most excited about at our school is our science program. I'm most excited about it because it's very unique. It's hands-on, it's engaging, it's fun, just basically the things that science should be, and unfortunately some of the things that are missing in our science classrooms these days.
Science at its best is doing science, not learning about it from secondhand sources. Today, when we were out in the field, we had kids actually conducting research in partnership with the New Mexico Department of Game and Fish. They were catching frogs, which is total middle school happiness, but the data that they gathered after they caught the frogs and processed those, that is what is the science. That is making science matter beyond the classroom.
I think for our young ladies in science today, it gives them an opportunity to take a leadership role. It gives them an opportunity to see for themselves that they can fill occupational positions. It gives these young ladies an opportunity to find that they have interests in something they never would have thought that they did. I believe that the science education for students these days is one of their most important learning opportunities. It's an opportunity for them to get their hands, dirty, get involved in something, be very interactive with it. It's also an opportunity for them to be inquisitive, develop higher order thinking skills, problem solving skills, and contribute to the world. There's many things that our students can do right now today in the field of science that actually do impact the world that we live in, the communities that we live in. Giving an opportunity to give back at that young age is a character building experience.
A student who loves science, and that will be everybody in this class sooner or later, because the opportunity to explore and understand the world that's around them is such an inherent part of being human. And so a kid who is especially already excited about science, the opportunities are endless. Not every sixth grader gets that experience, unfortunately, but at IPA, they sure do.